morning, everyone. We are on day 4 in our devotional, January 4th. Enjoying His abundant blessings. Psalms 23:5. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. John chapter 10, verse 10. The thief does not come except to steal and to kill and to destroy. I have come that they may have life and that they may have it more abundantly. Psalms 36, verses 7 and 8. How precious is your unfailing love, O God! All humanity finds shelter in the shadow of your wings. You feed them from the abundance of your own house. Let them drink from your river of delights. Psalms chapter 65, verse 11. You crown the year with your goodness, and your paths drip with abundance. 2 Corinthians chapter 9, verse 8. God is able to bless you abundantly, so that in all things, at all times, having all that you need, you will abound in every good work. And Ephesians chapter 3, verses 22 and 20, Ephesians chapter 3, verses 20 and 21. It says, Now to him who is able to do far more abundantly than all that we ask or think, according to the power at work within us, to him be glory in the church and in Christ Jesus throughout all generations, forever and ever. And it says at the bottom, go big or go home. We like to have things in abundance, especially financially and materialistically. If you woke up this morning and realized what you have today is what you thanked God for yesterday, would you still have abundance? Sometimes abundance fits in the smallest packages: a hug from your child, a thank you from a friend, a handshake from a stranger, a quiet moment with God, comfort after a funeral, peace after a storm, and an overflowing cup, because God's fullness is there. And that was for January 4th today. I hope you all are enjoying these. Let me know if you want me to continue or not. I kind of like reading the devotionals to you all. I'll try to do a video later today. I haven't been feeling the best. I had a terrible migraine yesterday. But you all keep me in your prayers, and I'll continue to pray for you all. Love you guys.